Hello studying fan, Michelle here. We're glad you stopped by. In today's video, we're transforming these cute little Dollar Tree drawers into a desktop organizer. We started off by creating a faux aged look using different shades of gray, white, and black acrylic paint. For the first layer, we wanted it to look more like a stain. Using the lighter shade of gray, we dipped our brush in water, then in the gray paint to thin out the paint and create a stained look. Next, with the white paint, we used the dry brush method. You do this by dipping your brush in a small amount of paint and then brushing some of the paint off on a paper or something that you don't care about. Then brushing the project with a drier brush, creating more streaks and variations in the shade of the paint. We applied the white randomly around the drawers using this method. To create a darker shade of gray, we mixed white and black paint, and then we used the dry brush method to randomly brush this around the drawers also. Once we achieved the look we desired, we used some tight bond glue and some clamps to glue the 4 outer boxes together. Then we waited for them to dry. Once they were done, we slid the drawers back in and it was ready to use. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.